Hey everyone! Let's talk about Italy, a country shaped like a boot, kicking its way into the Mediterranean Sea. It's got mountains, beaches, everything. Up north, the Alps are super tall and covered in snow, perfect for skiing and hiking. Then there's Tuscany, with its rolling hills and vineyards. So pretty. And don't forget the beaches. The Amalfi Coast is famous for its cliffs and colourful villages. Plus, Sardinia and Sicily have amazing clear water and old ruins. Italy has it all. Italy is super old and full of history. It's where the Roman Empire started, which was huge. You can still see ruins from it all over Italy. Rome, they call it the Eternal City, has tons of cool stuff. The Colosseum is gigantic, where gladiators used to fight. The Pantheon is a really old temple, and then there are Pompeii and Herculaneum, cities that are volcano buried a long, long time ago. You can still see what life was like back then. Italy is famous for its art, especially during the Renaissance, a time when amazing artists lived there. Florence is like a big outdoor museum. You have to see Michelangelo's David, a huge statue of a guy, and Da Vinci's Last Supper is another famous painting. Then there's Venice, a city built on water. It's got canals and bridges everywhere. Italian food is the best. Fresh ingredients and simple recipes. Pizza in Naples is amazing. Gelato in Rome is so creamy. And pasta. So many different kinds with different sauces. Pizza started in Naples and now everyone loves it. And after dinner you have to have gelato like Italian ice cream. Outside the cities, Italy has beautiful nature. Tuscany has those rolling hills with vineyards and olive trees. The Amalfi Coast has cliffs and cute villages. And the Italian Lake District is super peaceful. Italian people are really friendly and welcoming. They love to have fun. Whether you're having coffee or dinner with them, you'll feel right at home. You can visit Italy any time of year. Spring and fall are nice and not too crowded. Summer is great for the beach, and winter is good for skiing in the Alps or seeing Christmas markets. Rome, Florence and Venice are awesome, but there's more to Italy. Check out Cinque Terre, some cute little villages, or Pompeii, the buried city. And Sardinia has a beautiful coast. Italy's amazing. It's got history, art, beautiful places and great food. You'll love it, so start planning your trip.